Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. I hope you all are doing great. Would you like to know how I prepare these super yummy, soft, delicious sausage buns? Very easy and simple to prepare. If you are interested, stay tuned. Don't go away. Let's bake together. I'll be right back. So let's start baking. In the mixing bowl, I'm going to pour in 150 ml of warm milk. Then add 30 grams of sugar, 7 grams of dry yeast, 1 raw egg. I'm going to give them a quick stir. Now add 50 grams of softened butter. Then mix them up. I proceed by adding 325 grams of all-purpose flour to the wet ingredients and half teaspoon of salt. At this point, I'm going to turn to my hand and mix them well. Make sure your hands are clean. For the full list of these ingredients, just check out the description box below, okay? So now I'm going to transfer the dough to the work surface and start the kneading process. Just watch me and see how I achieve the soft, elastic bread dough we are looking for. Just keep watching. So now we are through with kneading. As you can see, it is soft and elastic. In another clean dry bowl, I'm going to spread the cooking oil using my pastry brush to distribute the oil in the bowl. After that, I transfer the dough and make sure it is covered with oil to avoid dryness. So I'll go ahead and use plastic wrap to cover it and transfer it to a warm environment so that it can proof for about 30 to 45 minutes depending on the temperature of your room. Okay? Now after proofing, as you can see guys, the dough has risen double in size. Let me remove the plastic wrap and transfer it on the work surface. So now I will go ahead and form a ball-like shape, then cut the dough. So keep watching and see how I cut this dough and shape them. Let me thank all of you that are watching this video. For my returning subscribers, you are amazing for your wonderful support. Always checking on my videos, watching them, commenting lovely, and liking them. May God bless you. So, if you've been watching my videos but you've not subscribed to my channel, my lovely, what are you waiting for? Consider to hit that red subscription button and the notification bell so that you'll be aware anytime I upload a new video. If you're new here, I promise you are at the right place. In my kitchen, you'll learn more about cooking, baking made easy, DIY tutorial, cake decorations, and I will bring to you so many yummy and delicious healthy recipes to come your way. So consider to subscribe to my channel. At the end of this video, if you like it, give me thumbs up. Feel free to comment and share my video with your loved ones, and God will bless you. After rolling out the dough, I'm going to place the sausage inside. Keep watching me carefully and see how you can get the beautiful shape. In here, I've got 2 tablespoons of milk and Parmesan cheese. After shaping the dough, just watch me carefully and see how I roll the dough in the milk. At the same time, cover it with Parmesan cheese. Just keep watching. I'll go ahead and transfer it to the baking tray already covered with parchment paper. So watch me carefully as I cut it and finally cover it. So now I'm going to repeat the same process. Fast forward it, then I'll be right back. After shaping them, I will go ahead and cover it with plastic wrap. Then transfer it to the warm environment for final proofing. That will last for about 10 to 15 minutes depending on the temperature of your room. Take a look at this, guys. It has risen so beautifully. Now I'm going to transfer it to the preheated oven and bake it for about 15 to 18 minutes at 150 degrees centigrade. So 15 minutes later, our sausage buns are beautifully baked and looking yummy. Can you see that? Take a look at this Parmesan cheese, how brown, how golden, and the aroma of this sausage buns is covering all over my room. Take a look at this. Is it not looking yummy? Just give it a try at home. I promise you your family will enjoy this. It is good for breakfast, even for dinner. Just remember, if I can do this, yes you can, because I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me. Till next time I come your way, keep eating healthy and stay safe. See you in my next video. Bye for now.